Now we are going to learn about animation. Animation means presentation of frames. 5 types of animations available in Flash application. One is frame by frame animation. Draw a circle shape in first layer to display the circle shape in first frame. Now go to insert menu and select option timeline. Insert a keyframe to display the same content in second layer. Select this content, press delete button to display the blank keyframe. Now draw a rectangle shape and change this frame visibility to display the two shapes in two frames. Select this first frame to display the circular frame and select this second frame to display the rectangle shape. Now press F7 or go to insert menu and select option timeline and blank keyframe to display the empty frame on timeline. Now draw a polygon shape to display the different shapes on different keyframes. Now select this third frame, go to insert menu and select option frame, means to create a frame to display the third frame content in fourth frame. Okay, next animation is guide layer animation. Second one, guide layer means to display the animation selected direction. Create a new document and draw a oval shape. Right click on layer and select option add classic motion guide to display the guide layer. Draw a freehand curve. Select this shape and right click and select option create classic tween to display the path related object. Select 60th frame, press F6 button and select this 60th frame, press F7 button, means create blank keyframes. Select this oval shape and change position. Press enter key to display the continuation animation preview, means second one is the guide layer animation and third one is shape tween animation, means convert one shape to another shape. Create new document and select rectangular shape and draw a shape on top of the document. Click right mouse button and select option shape tween. Select 60th frame, press F6 button and remove this first object and draw a oval shape. Press Ctrl Enter to display the continuation shape animation. Create a new document in ActionScript 2.0 and draw a shape or insert a photograph. Select this shape, click right mouse button and select option motion tween. Select 20th frame, press F6 button and modify this entire shape to display the in motion tween continuation frames and to display the motion editor on top of the curve window. Create number of control points on curve option and change this curve position and right click on curve and select option add keyframes, then modify curve point position to display the animation preview on curve window, or change this curve position on document To display the continued curve animation preview, modify this animation on curve editors or directly on stage. Click the button enter to display the motion preview or press Ctrl plus enter to display the motion preview. Next one is clip animation. Create a new document in ActionScript 2.0. Press Ctrl plus F8 to display the create new symbol window. Select type of symbol movie clip. Click OK button. Draw a circle shape and another circle. And fill a gradient tool. Create new layer and draw another circle. Select the circle, press Ctrl D and change angle. Make another duplicate copy. Select this entire object and change angle, place on top of this first layer. Ctrl D is also make duplicate copy and change this object, angle and position. Select this background layer and select pencil tool and draw a shape. Create another circle and change this shape size and position. Make another duplicate copy and arrange right side of the shape. Select first layer, press F6 button 5 times. Select the second one, press F6, means make another duplicate copy and change this wings position. Press F6, change wings position. Press F6 and change wings position. Press F6. Select these 5 frames, shift plus click on first frame to last frame. Click right mouse button and select option copy frames. Select the 66th frame and click right mouse button and select option paste frames. Select this entire frames, again right click and select option reverse frames and change this background layer visibility is also 10th frame. Select the position and press F7, means make another blank keyframe. Come back to scene 1, press Ctrl plus L and click and drag on document to display the clip animation preview. Press enter, means to display the animation preview on stage. On stage, press Ctrl plus enter to display the animation preview in Flash Player and select Ctrl and test movie and select in browser to display the animation preview on web browser. Select this scene option and insert a movie clip. Change this movie clip size and angle. Create a animation preview and select this frame, press F6 and change position and size. Press enter key to display the motion on screen. or select option test scene. Shortcut key Control Alt plus Enter to display the working scene preview on web browser.